Detective Hoffman. Yeah, I'll take the case.
Officer Tomlin. What are you talking about? I just gave him a case. Yeah, alright, we'll go check it out. There's something up with Hoffman.
Alright, I'll go to his house now.
I'll take the crime scene. Excuse me, boys. Officer Tomlin.
Ooh, thank God you're here.
Tell me what happened?
Alright.
We were just filming a movie for school.
What do you think about gun control?
Well, you know, I think that it's every American's right to own guns and to protect themselves. But, you know, I just wonder if sometimes the right is being abused. You know, I just...
Boy. My God. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, what the... What is that? Oh my God, she's dead.
Anything else?
No, I didn't see anything.
Alright, hold on. I gotta take this. Hello? Yeah. Alright.
Who was it? Who was that?
There's a situation. Just stay here. I'll have some guys come for you.
Okay, send him quick, send him quick.
If I ever see that guy, I'm gonna blow his frickin' arm off.
Hoffman, are you there? This is Welch. Hoffman!
Alright, hold on, man. Good.
When's the reinforcements coming? We need them.
They said to be on their way. I'm not sure when they're gonna get here. Open up. Stay here. Okay. Oh my God, Ben! Ben, where are you going? Oh my God! Oh my God! No! No! What happened?
I think someone knocked you unconscious.
Where's Officer Tomlin?
He's over at the crime scene.
Oh my God. I know who this is. I gotta go. You stay here.
What the hell?
It was about 3 years ago. Simple armed robbery at a gas station. Decided to go in. So I walked in, a quick move and surprised me, and I took a shot. Too bad it turned out to be an 11-year-old. Lucky for me, it wasn't my gun. Fortunately for my partner, it was. He ended up getting charged for it because the only evidence was his gun and his bullet. Obviously he's out for revenge. Can't say I don't blame him.
Hello, Detective Hoffman.
Who is this?
I think you know who this is. I think you should take a look at the person in front of you.
So I can check myself again, and I stand proven to the man but sheltered, confidence returned to champagne. Unexpected hunger drives me. Just shut up and stand beside me. I don't need your understanding. I don't need to change a damn thing. And though I'm used to have you here, it doesn't change the man I was when you found me, and there was no one else around me. Just turn the page and watch me grow. There's so many things that you don't know about my soul. Live and die, but this will not get old. Just when you think that you're down and out, don't freaking see what I'm all about. Look for a reason that you have to start acting like a run that you are not. And when you think that we played it out, we come from the bottom and knock it out. Look for a reason that you have to start